What are you doing, Paul?
Dave, I'll clean my window, Dave. I'm not looking. Whoa.
Off dragging. This is his first bit of a proper tillage. He's done a bit of power harrowing, but it's very different to this. It's just getting his head around all the computer and the steering and the auto rev, the cruise control and the machine leveling and how to set the depth. So it's doing very well. There's a lot to take in.
Right, today we've got the seed dressers in. We're having some oats dressed when we take a trailer full of mucky oats straight off the combine. So as it's going in one end, it's going through the mobile dresser. All the unwanted seeds, light seeds, all the straw and chaff gets taken out and put into this trailer. Seeds bagged off into these are ton bags, make it easier for filling the drill. This is what does all the dressing, and if you want any seed treatment, it's added in up there. We're having it just clean today, you know, no chemical dressing at all.
Yours. Crawl is bloody good on this job. It's yeah, quite a boon, and it's having to steer because we've took the GPS out of it. Well, that does sound nice. That tractor will be hitting 13,000 hours in the next few weeks. still on the phone. Got the rolls on. It's working quite well. I've never done it like this before. So it's a 6 metre drill and then just running it. Just about to see the darker bits where the drill tractor track eradicators have just brought a little bit more darker matter out. Just following that really. But it's not auto steer, but it's not bad. Going quite nice. Bloody cold outside though. I'm pleased to be in here. These rolls are do a good power wash, I think. Look at the green on them. Let's see if we can find a seed. There we go. Nice depth. Nice golden seed. Just had a quick rain shower, but just about got away with it. It's got a bit sticky. Only the last 2 rounds. Proper raining now. This is why I put the reeler in, because I'll park in the way and then you can't reach. You get it. Sweet. So we're presently caught up with drilling. But look at these, just had some Ascendo tyres. They are really nice, good value, I like value. Really nice profile. Hope you can see in the sun, I'll come round here. That's better, and even black than before, it's like we're at some sort of show. Hello. All too common a sight now, and there's not a day I've been down here I've not seen deer. Fantastic, look at that sky.